Okay, so here's a big pipe. You don't need to get a big pipe. You can get a little one, but the bigger one you can walk on this way. Woo! Grab something. Or turn around. Turn around. All right, now, the reason for this, I think it'll help you run or your walk. You do this for about 10 minutes before you go run and walk. It's actually really a nice little focusing exercise. It causes you to really just stay so in the moment. Be close to a wall if you need to. I think plantar fasciitis, this may be a good thing for it because you're really working the bottom of your foot. Make sure you're using shoes that are real thin like this. Don't put on those clunker, fat-soled shoes. And stay as straight up as you can, but of course stick your butt out. My famous knowing of me. And then just see what you can do. Do better than I can. And then shoot me a video. Let's try one more time, turning. See if we can turn. Come on now. Giddy up. Woo!